Today we are going to do an experiment on refraction. This is called the disappearing glass experiment.
Should we show them the disappearing glass?
Yeah.
All right, let's show them what we mean by disappearing glass. So what do I have here?
Pyrex and glass and olive oil.
That's right. So in order to do this experiment, you need, can you say that again?
You need a baking dish. It's probably made of Pyrex. And you'll need glass and olive oil.
Cool. Yeah, so I think, we need olive oil and a special kind of glass called Pyrex, right? Okay, and so let's show them what happens when you put Pyrex. I have a little broken piece of glass right here, and some olive oil. And let's dip it in. And what happened to the glass?
It disappears.
It disappears. Now you see it. Now you don't. Now you see it. Now you don't. Linnea, can you explain to me how this happens?
Sure, I have a little experiment set up right here to show you.
Okay, well, let's do it.
So right here,
let's explain what we have set up here, okay? So we have, can you explain this?
We have this light. You can use the laser too. We also have a laser here that we're going to use in a second.
Mm-hmm. And then what's in this little tank here?
Cornstalk and
what else?
And water.
Yeah, we just put a little bit of cornstarch in the water just to make it cloudy. You could use flour too, or baking soda, or anything that you want.
That makes it cloudy.
Yeah.
Not like jelly.
Yeah. Okay. So why do we have this experiment?
Because when light goes through two mediums, it bends.
So what is a medium? What do I mean by medium?
Well, mediums are things like right here we have air and water, and when it goes through those two things, the light bends.
Oh, so here it looks like the light's not bending at all as it travels from air into water. But if I twist this a little bit and turn down my light a little bit,
also,
you can see that the light bends when it goes from air into water, and then you can even see that it bends again when it comes from the water into the air. So why does the light bend? What property of?
Because when it goes through two mediums, it changes speed.
Oh, do you remember what this process is called? Can you tell me what this process is called?
Refraction.
That's right. So light bends, refracts when it travels from one medium to another. And that happens because the light changes its speed. Okay, cool. So that's great. What is it? Why does that have to do with my disappearing glass?
Because if the light didn't bend, you wouldn't be able to see the light. And in this disappearing glass experiment, through Pyrex and olive oil, they don't change speed when they go together. So
the light doesn't change speed. So that must mean that the speed of light in olive oil is exactly the same as the speed of light in Pyrex. Yeah? Oh, so because it never bends, we never get a chance to see it. Okay, so that explains our disappearing glass when we put it into olive oil. All right, well, I'm going to take this glass out and just put it away now. And now there's no more glass in our olive oil.
There is.
There is? You think? No, let me show them. Look, there's nothing in there.
Give me that. I'm going to show you.
Okay. What? Linnea found another piece of glass in our olive oil.
That's
our vegetable oil.
Was invisible.
It was invisible because it was in the oil. Well, thanks for joining us today as we explained our experiment about the disappearing glass. I'm Sandra. This is Colvin. And this is Linnea, and I hope you enjoyed our science lesson.